Hello and welcome to another informative video. Today, we are excited to introduce you to 3 brand new Pentz commercial carpet styles. As an industry leader in commercial flooring, Pentz offers high-quality, durable, and eco-friendly flooring solutions with a solid foundation, timeless colorways, and an advanced carpet fiber extrusion process. The company's innovative solution-dyed carpet fibers ensure that color runs through the fibers instead of just resting on top, resulting in a longer-lasting product. Pentz is committed to sustainability, utilizing 30% less energy, 42% less greenhouse emissions, and 87% less water in its manufacturing process compared to other companies. Pentz is truly a reliable choice for people who are constantly on the move and living at the speed of life. The first of the 3 new styles is Hypnotic. This captivating design features a mesmerizing pattern that adds depth and visual interest to any space. Hypnotic's unique geometric shapes and bold lines make it the perfect choice for modern commercial spaces. The innovation technology behind Hypnotic ensures ease of installation and reduced time on site. Constructed with APEX SDP fiber, this carpet style guarantees durability and superior performance. What sets Hypnotic apart is that every floor is unique. It's built with multidirectional installation in mind, but it can also be installed in monolithic, ashlar, brick, and other configurations. Hypnotic comes in 9 stunning, fade-resistant colorways to suit any design vision. Next, we have Stenciled. This versatile design is perfect for creating a relaxed atmosphere in commercial settings. Built to mimic the appearance of stamped concrete, Stenciled offers a unique aesthetic that is beautiful for all spaces and projects. Constructed with APEX SDP fiber, this carpet style ensures durability and long-lasting quality. Stenciled is available in 9 earth-toned colorways, providing a harmonious blend of artistic design and modern color palettes for a wide range of applications. Lastly, we present Art Deco, which is a nod to the iconic design movement of the 1920s and 30s. With its sleek lines and elegant curves, Art Deco brings a touch of sophistication and timeless elegance to any space. Constructed with APEX SDP fiber, Art Deco guarantees durability and high performance. It is available in 9 earth-toned colorways, offering a harmonious blend of classic design and modern color palettes. To help you excel in promoting and selling Pentz commercial carpets, here are some essential resources. Pentz Sales Resource Manual. Access all of our digital brochures through the EF Lookbooks. Engineered Floors Product Visualizer. Use the visualizer tool to see our products in stockroom scenes or upload a picture of your client's room and see what our product looks like in that room. Those are just 2 of many other resources. In conclusion, Pentz Flooring offers stylish, high-quality flooring options at competitive prices. Founded on real-life experiences and originating from a historic courthouse on Pentz Street in Dalton, Pentz is now proudly serving customers everywhere. To explore these new carpet styles and learn more about the resources and tools available, visit the Pentz website or get in touch with your local Engineered Floors Territory Manager today. Thank you for joining us, and happy flooring!